Hey everyone! Imagine waking up a YouTube millionaire, and nobody even knows what you look like. No pimples, no bad hair days, the camera adds 10 pounds. Total anonymity. Sounds like every introvert's dream, right? Today, we're figuring out how to pick the perfect niche for a faceless YouTube channel. No face, no voice if you want, but tons of views and cash. In 2026, faceless channels are the has-shown trend. Millions of views from animations, stock footage, and AI voices. But the biggest newbie mistake? Picking a niche because everyone else is doing it. Then the channel dies after 5 videos. Don't repeat my old mistake with a Cats in Hats channel. 0 views, but I laughed at myself a lot. So, rule number 1. The niche has to be something you genuinely enjoy. If you hate finance, don't jump into how to get rich videos. Viewers will smell the fakeness faster than you can say, passive income. Ask yourself, what can I watch, read for hours without getting bored? What do I know more about than my friends? What's evergreen, meaning it'll still be relevant in a year? Rule 2. Check competition and demand. Use YouTube search. Type in keywords and see how many videos there are, plus views on the top ones. If top videos have millions of views but there aren't many of them, jackpot. Rule 3. Monetization. Niches with high CPM, money per 1,000 views. Finance, tech, health. Ads from banks and gadgets pay big bucks, but in cute kittens, pennies. Now for the top ideas that actually work. I picked evergreen and trending ones where you don't need a face, just screen recordings, stock footage, animation, or AI. Book summaries. Short recaps of bestsellers like Atomic Habits. Animation plus voiceover. Example, channels with millions of views. Imagine reading 300 pages in 10 minutes. Your inner lazy person is standing and applauding. Finance and investing. Investing for beginners, Top Stocks 2026. Charts, screen tables, high CPM. Scared of the stock market? Start here. 0 risk, except the risk of actually getting rich. Tech reviews and tutorials. Gadget reviews, best AI tools. Screenshots, stock videos, 2026 trend. Everything AI. I'll review the new iPhone without showing my face, because my wallet is hiding from the price too. ASMR and relaxation. Whispering, rain sounds, tapping, or just lo-fi music with ocean views. Millions of views for sleep. Can't sleep? Play this. If you doze off, like in your dreams. Cooking top-down view. Hands in frame or just ingredients. Recipes without a face. Evergreen. Making pizza. No face so you don't get distracted by my drooling. Motivation and productivity. Quotes, hacks. How to wake up at 5 a.m. Stock nature footage. I motivate you without a face, because real motivation is in actions, not selfies. Scary stories or true crime. Narratives with dark animations. Huge watch time. Scared? Turn on the light, even scarier? Subscribe. Misery loves company. DIY and life hacks. Do it yourself. Show the process with hands. If your hands grow from the wrong place, this channel's for you. We'll break stuff together. Gaming commentaries or walkthroughs. Gameplay plus voiceover or top game lists. I'll beat the level for you, because real-life bosses are way harder. Meditations and relaxation. Guided meditations with nature visuals, passive views, 10 minutes and you're in nirvana, or at least not stressed from work. Friends, the best niche is the one you won't quit after a month. Start with 1 to 2 videos a week, test things out. Use AI for voice and editing. In 2026, it's totally normal. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, hit the bell. In the comments, tell me which niche appeals to you most. I might even make a video based on your idea. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, anonymously but awesomely. Bye.